watcher stayed and saw the patterns thought had made. Each fear, each need, each sudden call were echoes bouncing off the wall. The sky returned when the storm withdrew. The light revealed what thought once knew, that mind is servant, not the throne, that silence claims what it has owned. Now thought obeys the deeper tide. It moves with peace, not lust or pride. Each idea born, then set free, no longer chained to memory. The world still hums, the body moves, yet nothing pulls and nothing proves. The mind has found its rightful place, a clear reflection, open space. No battle left, no need to win. The quiet reigns from deep within. Each thought a wave that bows, returns to where awareness simply burns. Now every sound, each word, each hue is known as whole, is known as true. For nothing binds the mind again. It breathes a sea, it shines as rain. No master servant, none to flee, just thought in harmony with the sea. No cage remains, no boundary line. Awareness moves through clear design. The crown is light, the air is free, and peace is all